Hi there. In this video, we're going to walk through all of the different data points that you can log into the Constant Health app. So to log data in the app, you want to be on the Diary tab, which is the second tab from the left in the bottom menu bar. Now you can track your food by adding food into the different meals throughout the day. But another great way to track data is by clicking the pink plus button in the bottom right-hand corner of the Diary tab. Now this is the best place to go to see all of the different data that you can log and share with your dietitian. So if we click on the plus button, you can see that there are 6 types of data that you can enter. So we have weight, exercise, cravings, water, notes, and food. So starting from weight, this is where we're able to log our weight data. So all you would need to do is just simply enter your weight log and then the date, and then you'll be able to log that in for your dietitian. This is a great place to leave your weight data. That way all of the data is stored in the same spot and you'll be able to see any changes over time. The next piece of data that we can enter is exercise. So if you'd like to track your movement and share that information with your dietitian, you just simply click the exercise button. Here you're able to log your exercise. You can input the duration, the time, the date, and then you can select an intensity that best reflects the type of movement that you did, whether it's light, moderate, or vigorous. Going back into that plus button, the next piece of data that you can enter is your hunger or cravings. Now, this is also a really great piece of data to share with your dietitian, especially if you're making dietary changes that might have an impact on your hunger and cravings throughout the day. So you can see you can rate both your hunger and craving on a scale from 1 to 5. And with this data, you can also leave a comment for your dietitian. Next up is water. If you'd like to share this information with your dietitian, this can be really helpful in the conversations that you'll have in those important meetings with your dietitian. You can simply log how much water you consumed, and it will be right in your diary for you. Next up is notes. This is a really great place to leave notes or observations or thoughts that you might have that are in relation to the foods that you're eating or what you consumed for that day. You can certainly always send notes to your dietitian in the in-app messenger, but this is a really great place to log any thoughts that you might have in relation to the foods that you're consuming or the experiments that you're working on with the dietitian. And last but not least, this is also a place for where you can log your food. So as I mentioned previously, you can simply click on the meals in your food diary to log your food, or if you'd prefer to go this route, you would just click on the food button, select the meal that you would like to track, and that will bring you into the diary page where you're able to input your items.